Hello agus má hiag na seanslia mas maiileh seansa glaciad na seanslia. Is mu Hugh me le cara agus ó a dhé tamach có fecin sé agus cinse dáte fásta just ag smuoitena sir coolmacracin coolma bhaine go leis go níhé coolmacracin mu le mu cíhan agus ahanrad agus be cuma andeargorm ar leid bé an sofra le chéile le muid cóleachí le muid cairde ar dúspáire and weir and go that too.
Get me boer her futsa ní an chur sísin ar dó crack de bhaid jugad. Ní le green color de cool and just start ar the winyon.
Listen, there's just a car harm. I was a country car star harm to my jaw faster le James ó Fáilte. James, go that too.
So ma both ho scrista. Tá ma ag fóháis ag fullint le seachtainiúil. Tá sé seo chraic. I budí is má ba fá gunna agus fá réilm sciúpaí.
James Bach, that thing would be nachhfuilás agus actually go le forward a ri testing pass acu cin fa ómid go homlach Christa barall gro féile in the Gealaí ar siúil racharn in sin and Jerry Shattings by heart agus fiming it genu showbug actually go gaimage and co-hex done Jerry Shatting on man a hortalini le chishban hain fa major fad hostriste agus ho like Jamer vi sure or an ober imagine because we miss go homan obisha dantra like new hard this nafik or Harvey I can do vi sure or imagine chaloon
like Caihí muid cuimhnú leis an lúna ghlacu siar an bblin jogan.
Yeah.
Tá muid ro hand an crack show, like ní bhfuair muid colú ar bí, really, ar réon seachtaine. Ní bhí me scrista a geniart a brú lún.
No, it's perfect James. Yeah.
I think a chóir mis a súsa agus go was timppel for mis timppel stacht go 8 uur chuig le lingen rá iche chote. Yeah, agus my god tá sé sin ufa like níim se fós ceart agus go éidir a rá a cepo mu sin á sé seo tafta ag na Seansálaithe sé mór tú a cédín. Siot ar dain, siot a raid agus cum rá nó ní bhímas go bucatí dé hín, okay? Tá sé seo réid afata agus tá siot ar líd agus tá má fós absolutely mari. Friction féil na Gealaí.
Tá mé colú 8 le gahaníthe agus tá mé dúisiú caite a anhaidin.
Yep.
Sílim gur me se 8 uair 9 uair cáilite idir an 10 ihe sílim idir an aine agus an saharn sílim gur timppel ar sin agam agus bhí sin cáú nach ro ráhhaid heard marall go
friggin tent.
Oh yeah, agus fast the bhín fléadh masters agam sin, but ní cin maithegum, so bheit leannig tú san líe agus sin learníe bhéint just still agus síos. So nar hat taku like again like oh like go homma includie agus mé ag leor an urlar basically ach le clúd a pláisteach ar buir bhí se agus é chu chase a phobal sin fast go Harry ar an íon saharn just a cur like a cur alles is the ancient agus emphasis ar an facu cur mar bhí se cos le gro a cur baisttí sin
Bhí just a gaiir sin is smuitiú arta well mágin de híine na héinstúin rahí mu lí agus de marráis as me socr me hen le gáí and then dark meáil hí Hugh casún gitar agus a canú istí ggurcan.
Look, bhí me se chun foiáil, right, agus seán rud atarlíonn ar bín sessions is siúil like right me seo an dúsa. It was an realgar has the chenim or an economar at the Bron Arm James, but has the call or an economar. Agus bhí me like right, ní hé seán am dúsa, caiim se foiáil. Ní hé seán dom mo chud siad mo watersa. Achan
sort campfire sort scene a hand in a heart agus sing song of elk.
Dingy caiú ar le sí hart mar sin agus an sin dúirt lad and sin bhfuil legs upon training thing bhí agus bhí like actually agus
32 verses.
agus go dé
There's ó an go Fadhbs, I'd say go to Connie go jag.
agus is banger go leiscail. Ná ru is a géisteart lá a géisiil le mo glór bin bríomhar.
Sin nach choráinne cholle.
Yeah. Right.
Is Cap my gur kill to as in Goroshi like each from the hall, but no as in like be like right on you like shot. So reduce fire right so margin here right so fagan shimshe an alif agus fagan sa bodeklia can worship so as fi shimshe chomans na ro.
Yeah, man agus hog me birth ládlum agus malachile Queen virtuach sin choú leithreach as dag siad mise ma gúiselum héin leis an téán le géanú I mé cótarsa téáile níor na hóran a blastal air conditioning a blastal just le mé chuineal was mé an móthir? Yeah. Not great.
No. Sin go hanning immer sin do bhí cinse go na muir ní héit an ding bhhain bhí much gus iad tarsach ar an móthir. Curfid James, this is too much faster sa carúr san Audi.
I an meach sús bhí se dóchreid má bhí bangers ar meach sús like absolute EDM like bhí me damsa ar meach sús cáirteach cruise control like basically I héin tomans mis just si sin mis damsa way cholón an a harm an motorway ceap absolute nut job score because chonig she just call regular gur haar like ach then chonig like just a fair shot in the fickety a rave on so driver seat it got nuts just practice some dance moves you man really agus chin like shaft fog agus literally so I'd say go hustle perchin or he ma shasagar me go kill almost for it so yeah the land ma Houston vi ma on a vibe I rakar in the land ma agus vi ikke harbor sin ma chwa ma dus Áine like skriste stop ma I kinda garde chin for my coffee for my kidaro ma like ice cream I think with my chewing gums just go my congas with kins come routines force ma chunya bill just yeah is really just le ma chunya bills moach cuz land ma ngade yeah like land ma garú actually come on garú agus vi ma skriste as my full skriste like ní tá mis to na phodchraoladh like agus
oh my god
Fós ní ná ní má fós hús ag na úrantí chloig I cheartm a bheith aige agus tá chu scrusta gur fátar mo cluthe pelle a immert amach mé nach me má fós céan géad like sinna
Well cybni agad sa James nus mat tú sa hesta seán lei bhil si ma canfuí?
No.
An nuirí
Og le bheith leor faoi míle a different
an am seo an nuirí hí tu san am sa búla Suasla duine ar 6 cunne beidir dearthing agus dúirt tú seachtainií féile na Gealaí thró tú an dulthaigh an cunne sin mar tú go fáil scriste agus is dinge a bhfuil aithne agam sa orthú dinge bhfuil aithne aonanta mai agam orthú agus bhí de cáint lomsa agus a ré tá látá dénis was leiscealaí le ní sé gar bu sa rag bhil se scrista cé go se ag féile an seachas bheit hard agus tar mis lá No tan ceart aige like tá bhí tá dearthing hain go se go thomlan scrista in é sin
Yeah, agus you know what could yelling Hugh yelling a rude can them learner because tá skrista tá afraid ní bhah man an bol they should like a date we should expect them go go back clear is like a date I'm like Jesus Christ
funny yoler sin
a line over ach
Lord go dúiltanis na rudí is massa in éana féile
Well
I'm sure it's rudí maithe.
Well sin fle goid scriste ná marall go crack ar dóig sin seán rud like ní hé seo rudí jiúlta faoin féile seo mu get like ag bhthú cuts like repercussions are good.
I think a bud an chuí is éan nach le hí complimentar thuirt I riamh go mu túirt gur an éad go á maithing go was just I tuairtach.
Go chuine mud a bhrisisiú.
fó ar an féile chomáin go choinge se súsmod go dtíon sé agus seachtalog gach má
sin han ihe machtó like er smu tú like this is a Lord ding in ihe macht mai Ca an ced ru a Jaran si laat Vin si like á da like a han er Jaran tú go yeah exactly ik féle ceol ar ihe ma ceol cum rudi má tar se ita mai an ced a Jaran ding na á tá fá bles like just go Harry. Ach so yeah it's marall ar an crack of yoing sin fá go cóskriste. Tá actually bhú car leor ach sin marall ar dúspáire tá clachtaí gan bheith Jenny mar an callú agus an dar ní má gáil an deir shopping am so bhí couple dinge agus ní chun ra cé ach bhí couple dinge ag á an nómarcha agus iad amuí ní ar an nómarcha.
Ní mu bhí bhí me actually okay.
Yeah an healar mlína.
Sure. Anna Bishop. Well, do you know what? And what this massive goal to na feckin left woodjal the California pepper hot sauce.
What's going on? You should go home on me care to good. It's Carolina Reaper. As Ryan does her the scale and you're like, oh, that California pepper.
Fimisha Gresham la ahaminge. Like la ahaminge. Fimisha gets the ahaminge. Grumajal California peppers.
I think London like jeez Kingsart peppers on your hood of my roof week.
Yeah, I think it's right. I'm going the California peppers kept like mild.
Yeah. Carolina Reapers go.
Yeah.
Whoopsie. No, vi Shane so the thing be agus actually to Bronarm nach an tafadoging more. Well actually no. That Bronarm agus ta fasta in das nach tafadoging because vi was really he was a kaihu chala fuin moss. Dan shower fad and rather ringwich na ringwich and kill the hot sauce spicy cashni like it's now monorotigarian cash fryer the art blash the hot sauce and geek or tortilla chip agus vi like ni rosha you Gary kill that size for the end in their iricha ni spicy is much gonna ray ship jira on kill fish like straight away.
But he does go on Frank's hot sauce spicy.
Okay, well, fan second though. The mission go home car leor and a Carolina Reaper. The mission shivsha well in fairness that James the also Giro Mujal. Actually looks ahead.
And major viogum so couldn't that gorch me ma and no
yeah.
The and tortilla chip clue.
Yeah. In fairness, like Yama good data Hugh Leslie Shaw and like Yama data case
yeah,
you actually
with the iced coffee.
Yeah, this is really hard. There's nice coffee. Agus in sin a budgel ishke. Agus in sin an banya faste.
Yeah, well, we ormrucht mag le banya. Now we ma full wash like. It didn't want to trail that.
It does Susig and mansion like and just night Susig under the vans. They're I need milk right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you used to us?
No.
Or Vini to D Kane fire was the art.
I think Rosaku because we. Má hangum was an bhéil agus riceach go a mada machchas an náit. Dús mai cead an bain sin please. Is it yeah. Is hook doma is like oh thanks. Can me session to tu glata is like oh my god thanks. So bring my backstaach. Rud is massive faoi. Bhín bain go frigil chud tell she Carolina Reaper. Bhí a chun luúchám le go tas.
Well, ní ceapan go the smuoite go dinge chun a bheith ag all a gajírach an etage sa gáils tí té na go bhí rud.
Yeah, well, ceapan go groch the stuff of friggin' cushnor an things that échaí.
Like bhí puiteháin is híal meise caihí mé bommate blackú téim wí GP. Like bhí sé an leor tiniation agus na confessions a leo and stuff.
Yeah.
Like actually bhí muirlan as mé like a sweatal. Like bitter cartís just chastain wí an sa ditch me ligas go an duna.
Well, brád marrá go chraíar Barry freisin ón hot sauce. Barry
Barry sugar.
Bara. No, Bara.
Barrow hay
Yeah.
na Barry sugar. Barrow hay.
Barrow, yeah.
Agus thos sé cuiinú agus cai sé má.
Yeah.
What?
And then
Well,
Riel Sean ó dúhanna as
bhí sé strachas go mór. Bhí sé strachas go mór leis.
gur cai sé get más ar chun trent.
Oh my god. Wait, kvé the G-shot? Like, isn't it an
an mé dó bhí agam so mé get maidó. As thug mé de cheanú dúhanna agus just hí se an sin like bhí sé gargur bara as if like girl bar really drama
Stop. Caiim me se shout out a horta. So this work caiim shout out horta Barrow hey Margaret Shamar and phodchraoladh a bhírsúil ag Gealaí a bhírsúil ag Féile mar bhí sais celda you know the neural landing your file and Jerry seachtainiúil sin agus bhí passion and things that stepped up to the plate agus a bhí an chraic linne and Jerry seachtainiúil so big shout out the bara and sin agus fásta big shout out Hugh Sean Duhan a bhí mis sí nachlis ar mus go racharn agus bhí ardóiging Sean Duhan a tar Seala Sean a radio rira cross promotion just an crack is fair our gríthe is the Sean I think was sin walling and show go mór I mean genu but yeah no bhí sin Chini Mac and na cashni ar fád fásta like we should glórig trouble I think a vision around we should vigari genu
we get looking rare to like toxic leor and then it's masses you the gailge or then
Apple my was still on the gailge yeah this is
not the cashni record
yeah no ní hoca leat ar féiche listen is bradam sa ahanning is still on the gailge
dragal tusa mo híl gorá amach for God's sake
I mean
Killian so den héisteir dear Hugh bar let wat gealta ar post am lín jogan no gan a bheith post chun gem líon
yeah
that it
yeah
as dort me blin jogan so bhíarm tachtháil is in de Killian bardó ar mé fós ná te siad rib fé na galí blin jogan
ben bar gin fé na galí sin mé se
Anish sa TP after sa brad an vasa.
Get a grot a shapelty of neckling. Who's on?
We'll go modern.
We'll go civil sermon. I mean, sure, permission more inspired, obviously.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
The James are my flower girl.
Lovely. Jungle cool flower girls and I could do a TikTok means like damn sugas.
Yeah.
Pouch.
But you can hint yeah.
I think ru is your actually on the mission in seachtainí look me vi moet fá wars sa is ní sam na ri ke gachmosré de phodchraoladh me vi moet ráre chlé kolte
No vi toss er like call
vi chipler quick
yeah actually vi mission fresh galore vi me go bra Holly me go
okay mis ráre chlé kolte
yes that's it vir yeah no vi much an broad the last
agus ru is fá ma vi cholle de fáwás agus kna vi moet an en den vi gweelhar an en den vi se hart 3 ru is fá mar sin seachtain ar fad na dulsús ag go bud an faste lár an lei ar saring ag timppel leir sé trí agus couple uach chláige cha I count depressing than the lads is Connemara just to get me out of the zone go fail na Gealaí if I could put like and then to get me back in the zone at East ball agus sin hánig me sheets agus vi ma full of beans reach me grower my nyart Iran when Guinness sin who's brut on the fast.
Well a méid dingy faste bí na speidir go bheith seán is just an ísgrúpa ó majingus tíonis agus beidir go just an cruúgad puní sinne ach an méid thing bhfuil aithneogum sa ar nap acu a leir féil na Gealaí. Yeah, bhí couple thing bhí naps acu. Bhí dingy a bhí an anhéanú agus sin bhí siad san freis ar fá an ihe fád agus tháinig mai tear na ihe ar an saharn.
Couple gine cholí an lá lig.
Yes.
Like ní dóilm gohaci mé chud rantíní just ahann go dtí nílog san ihe.
Yeah. I mean, taking it in though, because the couple of things near hoist the hall could you know, better like a diagonal look imagine that could be road. So higgling or Harvey, yeah. Morris Cartifa, listen.
Yeah.
Sure, it's Féile ach no vi couple of things glocks naps. I bet you could be Sean Trout to argad garge gáil agus argad ní fiú argad garge, but like na daoine bíon ag na féilte seo, beidir go le go ní sin inis.
I think the main nap come though just very nice thirsty a few.
Yeah.
No, can't you just land in church, power through? We'll do
Yeah.
something.
Is me se advocate mór dan power through bhím sa moscail ri na híe se ag mat ein crack gáil sin ní fé. No, sin ihhain agus túúnahhain fásta also caiim túúnahhain agus si bhí me le right caiim se creakiness. Bring mum a piece, bring my party piece.
Well, freshen er chud is is last get tent to be blow up matches at like kick father the last shot. Ring him shit down week on the pump also is roy here. Agus tune dog the lads on ball dog shit cooler stem tent on down here agus law on ice looks a cooler agus vi bonwood tent bought it so vi my hollow le mo sleeping bag agus blow up matches at a tal more like raft book.
Oh my
God. James. Come on.
I know. But sure look,
yeah.
Honey was that Bill.
When Kjol get to bug because you know sin Vagra would really gone.
Rokiali film the Gealaí. Sin. No caiimiid cinnte cuairfinn ceol bhí se just I mean but being going like is brelam an mix allúir I mean on fásta mar being so you know bhí imachtaí traditionanta bhí imachtaí you know techno bhí imachtaí like you know daus illusion I could punch away they're creaking Virginian show in Saharan I think bhí se nar creaking much Gealaí the ma constantly agus sin just holma like drummy éagsle agus like bassline éagsle agus you like she didn't be Iron Maiden like be tune like Sean like metal I was like well should I chalked as an stage agus my master TP agus hannig ma banachol a decent idirblian ag genu lagan I Gaelic the Sean rock tunes fad so like you know Nirvana fucking you know Ozzy Osbourne agus ag genu you know Aerosmith ag really Shaw you know na indie but Arctic Monkeys ag punch wang a her fad as Gaelic agus you're like Shaw fucking deadly like Shaw class
you can graduate go hogus figure na dini of your stature like groove line and jadithe Bhí Pauline ra grosheets and san idirblin an urdur na guac she'd like 3 blianahin.
Yeah. Think John this be groove line. It been a closing act about.
We should co-groovy. It was like should just eat.
But why let the other
bit saxophone beyond over?
Yes.
Yeah.
I just KV Traced.
Valtos. Number one do session.
Camera. The Birchin ain't toch Nina. On Ina Homa.
Yeah.
Some like on closing it in like the law look ain't toch but like the close gun Ina doch retsamar like Kimmy's like just Kimmy's crack ones Kimmy's thingy vi in actually starts the dance is gonna be shot unreal like unreal the piece of crack now they can camera raw matron
like the polka car Ian tak mai ach just me agul sheet feki ogam hana agus ag an earthis
yeah
I may slot over here or the Valtos and be polka Ian does you may who's your necklace and such a dausa ladini and
nearly
These I'm keeping actually going into polka car over the hand.
So the crazy polka car faster agus daska should faster la Eileen Og and Tunata and Chantic the Mary Wallopers because if you tap the on the indie hipsters or father they're like oh at him like a you know the need like mailwig the amok shadagra I at you and Oran the no Miss German like the crazy polka car attached fact manish Shay or and she could punch shock or Fredlum Jenny Covnier agus like tashed like class dar running at go homeland nu throwing at go homeland different agus you know the be vaults each new masku or trad agus like Dua Lipa agus you know the you know crack out to stuff of each of the Janu so
as they're hiring Ali the PB ma just elevated dahanúirt bhí sé just ionta like níor cool already.
You mean levitated?
Literally levitated. Ali Levac levitated.
Ali Lipa mar is ceart.
Oh, tá bud delirious.
Piece of book. Ach no, bfuair mar ansalt as tú bfuair mar ansalt as súil fásta.
Ionta bhí sé an anhain. Ar thos sé ag den óráníocht ar an channels I lár an rap.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's like agus tá chuid super Spotify ar fád ach an aon geirí a bheith géisiart leis.
Hí an chalí bhí caiú an másc bó.
An bó finne.
Yeah, bó finne.
An bó finne. Bhí sé clás. Agus bhí sé doctor go túin.
Bhí sé hí phobic an am Ro James.
Sin an sahar an na ba?
Yeah.
Yeah, bhí mis Bob. In fairness, bhí mis Bob is mai géisiart le fear ón album na casa ceol sa Bob, so it's
Yeah, bhí session hí san sin, bhí ar G-marm go chaid me.
Yeah, bhí sé gazás no, you know, I sin recoup na batteries as soon as back sheets leis a chraic. You know, mud in le radio Fáilte sin agus na bucket hats ring agus mud géis le Enrique Iglesias escape sin an
An tún sin hol is it like the thing be so Sean is ra the thing be I mean ige mat le James na ví nu pre-drinks na ag chumant le James basically ag ein imat bhfuil James ag ganas the tunes current siúil na tunes cear na ríis agus a ríis agus a ríis agus a ríis so holma escape le Enrique Iglesias now cunning san tam journa a holman tún sin like le fad an le agus sin the couple tune eile agus but you're like tree tune in the Asian Hannah sure Shula Reese because like James yeah
oh an tuiristing go bell ferste bhí me géisi de crow agus just ó an Connemara on repeat an bailach le níos
yeah you know what we all mahagi so stop again
oof
was like that hook mis fo there first fo there after now format an arid compliments.
Yes.
Chéige faoi mo flís?
Yes, bhíon flís a jazz.
I ríist for ma ceán faoi an bucket hat tu gom wa radio Fáilte me bhí ceartel de Connemara skifte agus I think goúid go mis an brand ambassador go an hatta sin fá cíns ní mai cín cin fá ach daibir a hoop.
Níach mar an eile caiú a hahain sa sin go is mar an it is more an killed an motto and slogan holder than was fad.
Yeah. Our unpaid influencers far armsa.
An unpaid influencers far?
Yems.
Stad.
Agus for my cup compliment random och elle, you know, agus vi ma bevran mará go war ma iad way mará, but no, so I fair dug from the compliments agus Dúirt fearhhanam go is nach as éiringe ba as a ranka dúirte go mé an duine dathla TG cehead dus má stop a brega agus i sin me tá amscú sin bregach den dúirt fearhanam nervhí má golig an leras ú a barógdom ag dúirte I never hugged a man so muscular as dus má stop a brega ríist meocht tá sam de sin bregach.
Tú ínta muslí James.
No, whoa. But like raw real that is like
I think that hell faster James came around
doing the chlap Hugh.
No. Fresh haircut for you.
I know. Oh, listen,
obviously. Look, like data to the raw Shannon haircut is fresh aquamarine. It's what like raw. You know what? Ta get feeding it and shin. But and the good like come on now. Like Jesus Christ.
Listen, James, we too.
No, I'm not having it. It's just said my points.
Éist no, James, Éist hot gale summer, shin tusse. That you learn to do gurk gamai, do mohu gamai, seal gal gamai.
First of all, my garlic probably on the verge of okay. Down the can to my mohu ufasa. And I think we will hollow for the next month. So, be hard go somewhere basically was a hard. Here the rushes ma.
Be show good me lunas.
Yeah, be fin amshin be freaking. Cheer an am the EP, you know.
Where did you go?
So beidir bé arta anu. No. No, bhí se chu jazz anna i feiceáil a rééis fásta sin go bit sin cean an vibe is fearr, agus gohéir a daoine nachróigh film bhíáí riú. Agus fásta gohéir daoine nachfu fiú gaalaigh acu, mar bhíon méid an daon nachfu gaalaigh acu ach bhí sim acu fóm an gaalaigh ná bhí si den si le chuirde. Agus bhí amar dóid acu, bhín láid na san rank. Nachró facu gaalaigh a bhí se ag genú díhol agus ag fóm coppla couple the aró burla acu ach nachró mar an gaalaigh acu a bhí bunch trílas anmlad so but fásta sí fu agus le anna sí na gaalaigh éis táing cócardil brachar dóid agin agus fásta le na agus beidir móhaint se sean fástan is fásta an le dí a táiste más na mánig mar sin.
Muid có sean.
I know. Dingy to like fihigs fihin or whatever. Like it's like oh yeah, you go over like and you're like you and making us the core like just go win salt. Live your life. Yeah, exactly. Not because he loves it. Don't be jaded because shan because give you hot sauce. Like
I know that be my sweeter should like or earing winning like Hínar go muna an daine sin gnuirí daine like oh god arca she'd like just the mutton and glaze mutton dress as lamb like just a genu ruddy tam wad roian of a genu and so just naira
no you can't go into genu ein rud nar charting yet like you can't go into ag actal raw
no sure it could have showed them to the of agus fós gower in the tandem so
damn right
show that gower going yeah.
Is this an gower? Is this an goat?
No, it's just an gower. Níos am kid let's sin nach fós, but ní bhéh seach má a goat.
A bheith no. Ní bhéh seach cho jazz is it McKinney eile.
Is you know what ní mé gowers mé glumach. No fánach ná bhí a glumach.
Oh my god. No bhí am her dóigein céhan géad agus béime deráis a ríis gan dáid. Dar tú an like book funse a bhain aráú nis. Idir an ceáil, idir an chraic, idir an dause, idir na sesiún, idir an bia, idir an taistel. Definitely been tasler more book funch comes to there ein book funch wine good le round ein book funch around
Dolly
because we shall be in rather fad into the mai to Gary call that like I don't know even if you like arm away like moment away if you larger Mochen Jering Gorosha Jering Gorosha a lair Polka gar actually like and like and do you know Jimmy really jazz actually try and both films so there run polka gar and chartwich and the roll McAwee done Dorrance in there more a hanam a fletcher earring so like size like mo on because there's just it's a scale like it's much or bad obviously ag tuairteach the Ronan ag an seo agus bhí sé mar part mór do héal ag fas géis radio a an dúr seachtainiúil agus genú aglah maintág so an pí sin bhí sé like a leir cracker fád pro much go fáil an bhé like hop Ronan hop an Dorrance in there Jaron Bush an book fan dúsa to be pure mosh foolishness and that's a very like boom ní hé joketon na ní hé rod ní hé rod well we actually into moon and Jerry shocking shots so you're in crack na cold na ein other show hanky Jesus Christ
no you're running version
no you're in this running version there's the give be Alice oh yeah, ma hell ma. No, ta what do you call it? No, vi ma into moon and Jerry shot shop. Was into so vi cracker doing crack into just and into dicers the lads, Kayleys, trad discos, stage and live session kill just vibes, not vibes. No, vibes, not vibes.
Yeah. What is an kilometer?
No, I can vibes, not vibes. Should know you show me.
An teach an seo beidir gur Fadhbs not Fadhbs at all.
Yeah. Oh God, yeah.
Sílam gur má bhfuil cuinte répóca ceair go maiid ar dúir mé na húsa bar an státe sílam gro Cathal Kern is Becky níana hen sin as mains Paulines bhí Dennis ar dausta seta agus bhí sé just ínta just bhí me gar ceart like rálam sílan goilge.
Fair.
Just nuir héad muid lig síos rih an choras na tunes ar na hór na ligatóú. And then leave an hand the six céile sin just an mohuas fear.
Just an poem sin just an reach to reach. Oh gas like. Yeah, Curtis James.
Oh.
So an ceann am go rá an chéad an cinna simpi son ní gar an rá. So an darna so an ceann ná say bhí pointán rih hí pointán rih polka ceir freisin agus bhí má húsa na benches le ceann was cordsa ó an báile. I think was just rave on it in the benches. Like it's hard to get bounced in the room, like Van sharing. It's just rather birthday, and he was like, "All right, just call new Madonna." He bounced it like, "Okay, yeah." And then I was like, "More duty done the bean or Dorn scenarios got her the fear lauded more, you know, so like more express on I guess clutch on the focus in a way." Car chomá le Ronan vi sin dochartma an sin vi mis se fá wegin of vi mis tí as ús céis leis me is rugán vi rugán le cúis agus sin agus mi rugán I gera go mé Ronan fan seár agus it's just sin boekfuintí ó de seachtainine a bhfuil an ommerke boekfuintí an ingéirs ma méall vi bu nach cholle moment van der seachtain le fear Seachas on mouthful go Carolina Reaper óga.
From California Pepper, you mean?
As it's measured known.
What a jerter.
James, you shouldn't need to jazz.
Yeah.
Listen, the machine moshi. Agus look.
That's a better ear in to much Gary.
Yeah, exactly. Listen, agus testing your pod can ever interview with anyway, so
oh, that's looking good one.
Not even doers smashing.
Yeah, listen, car. I think she good car to Gary to Henny Kaifin must, and that's totally okay. Yeah, you know what? Ni Henny Maj earn pod. Jenny Maj Safol. Jenny ni Henny Maj earn pod. Exactly. La Chim Commission bring you an Eagrán shot the Seansálaithe on I suppose the hangover episode the film the Gealaí reduced bar Gurmina Moyles at the Hannah shows the film the Gealaí when John Saltastu agus Darwood is been which the Coach J which in a couple of shows or we can sorry reach bearing couple of the flannel fell a Jaguar is really mar so can you sulma na socials agus agus listen pod I suppose agus occasionally agus into Virginia Jira o bell and Apple gallery can you sulma la gallery chat to us or dus par was the chance amshi or the man hosted the amateur and the chance your Instagram the chance your Twitter and the chance your YouTube is are aim gauntlet as
beat pics o Gillian
fin the modi taffin the dogs are barking more there this doesn't it's side stuff that way but the fact on your famous feedpics.com Nacker cash from Kindle will and season mother which amshu are in the CV different coming Spotify or iTunes or or na 70 different Google Play whain to pograph these Féile Éist in sin mas the Gary Áine Amsterdam host more anywhere Instagram anywhere or Twitter anywhere or TikTok mas the Gary James Amsterdam host more flyer tuck or Instagram flyer tuck or Twitter as flyer tuck or TikTok as by the Gary Mahane Amsterdam host more Hugh Carr here or Twitter Hugh Carr here or Instagram I was just Gra Hugh Carr or TikTok well ein rodella damage flog on this sort of Ricky much more Honduras.
You don't know.
Oh, chin.
When you bleed Ella.
When you bleed out of the film the Gealaí and then but David Rash. Oh God, David Rash.
Yeah.
Agus Beisha Dantra. Beisha and Dantra. What about you soccer? Emily and chugging?
No.
Béimiid níos gur go trotha. Just le switcher Ar an nóta sin gur mí maigus le seaasa buí solta deir seachtaine agus bun sopas an teas fásta bhí sáte agus bun slut sláin.